there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company. We're out here in the beautiful Cotswolds on a nice cold wintry morning, and we have a lovely prize for you guys. This is a 1954 Matchless 500cc Scrambler. And this can be won on our website, classiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are £1.99 and the draw will take place on the 28th of December, which is a Sunday at 10 p.m. So yeah, as you can see, really nice condition, very classic British Scrambler, that 500cc big thumping single engine. This has all been rebuilt over the past 5 years into this kind of competition British Scrambler spec, with these nice wide Scrambler trials bars, this short upswept silencer, alley guards, got the big iconic jam pot suspension, called jam pots because they look like jam pots, they're so thick and wide. So really, really cool bike, ready for any gentleman to get their leg over and enjoy. So what we'll do now, we'll give it a go at starting it. It's very cold. It's really cold actually. I haven't started it today, just got out of the van, put a new carb on it as well. It also has an oil filter, which is an interesting upgrade. I don't see that on many British bikes. So over here we've got our fuel tap. We'll put it on reserve. We've got our tickler that's hidden under here on our nice new carb bought from Amel. What we need to do, I mean, it might be so cold that the fuel's frozen. That'd be really cold, wouldn't it, to be frozen? It might take a little bit of tickling just to get some fuel through. Spend a few seconds doing that. So what you want to do really, this bike's got no choke, so you need to tickle it until you see fuel come out the top of the plunger. Need to get toasting this one. Might put the fuel tap on, see if that's anything. Got loads of fuel in there. We'll have to do a quick thing you do with the camera where you go make it go fast. And you just see me tickling it loads. I can smell out my finger a bit, so give it a go at that. Okay, so you've got a decompression lever on the left hand side that will help you get it just over top dead centre, and then a nice big swing. And it should fire. I think we need to tickle it a bit more. I think more tickling is needed. Sounds a bit better now. Sounds a bit on my thumb and finger. That's so cool. Sounds a bit juicier anyway. Let's give that a go. There we are. I think just a bit more tickling and a bit of a harder kick from me. It's early in the morning, so I need to try a bit harder than I was. You can see it's very cold, but when it is tickled and kicked properly, it does start quite well. Because it's cold, you'll see quite a bit of condensation. These also can wet sump a little bit, so when you're warming them up, it might smoke a little bit until that has cleared the sump. Nice quiet engine. Yeah, very cool machine, very fitting in this English countryside. So like I said, if you fancy a ticket, they're £1.99. You can buy them on our website, classiccompetitioncompany.com. Draws on the 20th of December. If you do enter, thank you for your support and good luck. One more word. Very nice.